Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. We have some friends coming into town, actually a friend and his family, so we are gonna do some grocery shopping to get a few meals ready for when they are here. So we're just gonna pop over to the local store and get some food. Let's go. Boys are coming with me, and we're gonna go get some food. Are you looking forward to having some friends come over? Friend coming to our house. They actually met while they were serving on their missions together a long time ago. So he's coming in from Arizona to stay with us, and so we just thought we would pick up some food for him and his kids. So I think we're gonna do some burgers, but they have such good meat selections here. This is what I know the kids would love. Rack of lamb. Just kidding.
Hi, Lene.
Hi, Lene. Okay, you guys, I am so tired, but we did it. We did a pretty good size haul for about $128. Now I'm taking off $10 or so because I got the boys a pack of candy and Paula magazine. So that's not even in the haul that I'm showing you. So this is about $128. So starting off with a case of water and 4 sodas. These are 2 different Frescas, just regular and peach, which are so yummy, and a big 10-pound bag of potatoes. So you guys, these were 4 for $12 and waters. So when we have friends come over or family come over and stay with us, I like to put a little bit of extra something, like if you've been watching me, you know that I like to put a little bit of snacks and treats and water bottles in their room just in case. And he has a couple of kids, so you'll see what we got them too. So let's keep going. So I asked my son, Kobe, I'm like, hey, what do you want me to get at the store? We're gonna go pick up some stuff. He says fruits and vegetables. Yeah, so they can pretty much sit in the fridge. No, so we got some bananas and apples. And then I got some carrots and celery. Do you have a favorite way of eating celery? I love putting cream cheese on it. Ooh, that is so good. I mean, most of the time I will just like eat it by itself. But if we have dip, oh, that's good too. But just like some peanut butter is also really good on that. Do you guys have a special way of eating celery? You'll have to let me know if you do. Plus I got stuff to make a salad. And we're also doing some burgers. So I got some tomatoes, which Romas are my favorite because I like them nice and firm. Some green lettuce and some cucumbers. So we'll be able to make some salad out of this as well. And it's so good to just put like a cheeseburger on a salad. It's so yummy too. So I gotta put all this away and then we'll show you what else we got. So I got Paul a couple of beef jerkies, so he'll have that. So these are a little bit bigger than the sizes I have been getting him in the past, and they were on sale for like $3.99 each. Now beef jerky can be pretty pricey, so this wasn't too bad. I also got Paul these ones, these extra large, the nuts one. He liked these ones, so I let him pick them out. And these are really good size. This is like a little meal for him. And then I got these for the kids that are visiting, and I'll put these up in the room in a basket with some water bottles. I hardly ever buy these. And I hardly ever buy the store. I mean, unless I'm at Trader Joe's, I don't normally buy these kinds of granola bars because I have a really good recipe for granola bars that I probably need to make again. Wouldn't you say, guys?
Yep.
Really,
So-
they're really good.
Okay, now they're hassling me. Okay, we got these boxes of cereal. They're all different flavors of Frosted Flakes. This one is so good. These ones taste like the Honey Nut Cheerios, and these are all $1.50 or $1.49. And then we got also some milk because I'm not sure if they're milk drinkers. We only have milk with our cereal, but I'll offer milk if they'd like to have a glass of milk too for breakfast. They may be typical. We're not typical. Okay, I also got a few bags of chips. Now these will also be for lunches next week, but look at that flavor. I've never had that one before. Seems like it would be super good and almost give it like a kettle potato chip, like what am I trying to say? A kettle chip taste. Can I even talk anymore? It's not even that late, you guys. It's like 6:45. All right, let me put these away and move on. We're near the end. Okay, I got some wheat bread because Ezra wanted it, and it is still Grandma Sycamore. And I also bought just a plain white one, so we'll put those in the freezer. Not the wheat one, I'll just put it behind me. I also got some toiletries because I think we needed some more body wash, and I got a little loofah just in case they didn't bring one. So that will go into the bathroom upstairs. I got some sliced cheese. Now this is not for sandwiches. It is for burgers. So I just got the frozen ones. These aren't these aren't the ones that I normally get. I like to get the ones from Winco, but Paul's gonna grill them up. I think it should be just fine. The only downside is that there's only 10. So we had to get 2 packs. So we probably won't even use them all. But these are really good on cheeseburgers. They're like my favorite. Even though I'm a big cheddar fan, these melt so nicely on hamburgers. So we're gonna make sure. Ezra's behind me. He's trying to be covert. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
He's eating some candy. The candy I got him, some Hi-Chews. And then he was, they're like kind of sour, so he's like puckering up a little bit over there going, oh. I got some sour cream, and I got some of these cheddar cheeses. These were $1.77 for just a small one. It makes about 2 cups. And you guys, this is the thing that I was so proud about. I got 2 packs of eggs for 12 cents each. Woo! Okay, so I am making some French toast. I'm going to be doing that tomorrow night while they come in. I can just have some ready because Saturday morning I have things to do with church, so I'm going to be out early. So if they want to Paul can help just heat things up and it'll be ready to go. So now I need to put these away and I'll show you the very last parts. Okay, so emergency pizza. These were on a really good sale. They were only $2.99. So the prices that I'm telling you are for VONS and Albertsons or any grocery store that kind of goes along those lines. I think there's like a bunch of them. So you'll have to tell me if you have one of those near you that isn't an Albertsons or a VONS because I think there was a big list. I got 2 of these packs of Hamburger Buns. Woo woo, I can't wait. These ones are the good ones. They're a little pricey though, $3.79 each. Yikes, I need my Winco. I just got some tots and some onion rings for when we are grilling. And last but not least, some more Oreos for the kids' lunches. So I just like to keep those in the pantry for when we are out. And you guys, that is it. Thank goodness, because they're gonna be here in less than 24 hours. And now it is cleanup time. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel. I love showing you what we get in our grocery hauls. We're so grateful to all of you for stopping by the channel. give this video a thumbs up if you liked what I got from the nearby Vons. And let me show you what Kobe or Jonas is doing. I will show you in a second here. But stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone. I see somebody is doing, look what you're doing. So we're doing a sweepstakes. This is usually what Ezra is in charge of. So, but we got so many tickets. How many tickets did we get?
24.
24.
It's so much.